Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today we're painting something full of lightness, color, and grace. A beautiful butterfly with layered, glowing wings. This is part of our Animals series, and it's a lovely way to relax, explore detailed work, and deepen your painting practice. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to keep painting with us regularly, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Here's the materials list for this painting. Pause here to gather these items and return when you're ready. You can also find this information listed in the description below. Let's get started with our background. Take your portrait tone and titanium white paints and squeeze a few drops directly onto your canvas. Using a slightly damp sponge, gently dab and blend the colors using soft, circular motions. Try to leave the center of the canvas a little lighter and let the edges feel warmer and peachier. This smooth blend gives our butterfly a glowing, natural space to land. Take your time with this part. Sponge blending is incredibly forgiving. Just keep your hand light and your sponge damp, not wet. The result should feel calm and radiant, like a sunlit breeze. Now, we'll start sketching our butterfly wings. With a flat-cut brush, load up some ultramarine blue and begin painting the outer shapes of the wings. Focus on symmetry, but don't stress if it's not perfect. Nature loves a bit of variation. Once you have the outer shape down, begin building up the edges of the wings with more ultramarine blue. Use short, smooth strokes, working from the outer edges inward. This will create the base shape and structure of your butterfly. Moving on, let's add dimension. Take your flat brush or soft round brush and begin blending cerulean blue into the middle section of the wings, gradually pulling it toward the ultramarine edges. You'll start to see that beautiful transition of deep to mid-tone blue. For extra vibrancy, introduce turquoise blue into the central area of the wings. Blend it softly into the cerulean blue, giving your butterfly wings a luminous, layered look. Repeat this process for each wing, mirroring the colors and blending transitions as evenly as possible. Take your time with this part. Now that the base colors are in place, we'll add some natural detail. Use a small round brush and dip it into burnt umber to paint subtle longitudinal veins along the edges of the hindwings. These strokes should be soft and delicate, just a hint of texture. Next, it's time to create the butterfly's body. Use a detailing brush and black paint to form a slender insect shape right in the center of the wings. Add small antennae with a liner brush, and then outline the wings with careful black lines to sharpen the edges and add definition. Now we'll begin adding the wing vein patterns. Using your liner brush and black paint, start with a few primary curved lines that follow the natural arc of each wing. If you're unsure, feel free to use a reference photo. It's a great way to keep things accurate. These tiny lines help create the delicate structure for which butterflies are known. From there, paint smaller veins that branch out, especially toward the outer corners of the wings. These little markings give the wings more life and help refine their overall look. Take your time with this part. Repeat this process for each wing as evenly as possible. Take your time with this step. For the finishing touch, dip a detailing brush into white paint and add tiny speckles or dots near the wing edges. These little markings give the wings more life and help refine their overall look. Finally, flick small paint splashes across the background using a flat brush and thinned white paint for a magical, airy finish. These little flecks create a sense of movement and atmosphere. You've just painted a soft, elegant butterfly that's full of layered color, gentle detail, and your creative energy. If you enjoyed this project and want more guided painting experiences, we offer free and pay-what-you-can premium painting courses to help you grow with confidence and joy. You can explore both options anytime at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a moment of creative calm. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy painting.